In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a two-column layout in your Canva document with ease. Whether you're planning to design a newsletter, a flyer, or any other type of visual content that benefits from a clean, organized structure, this guide is perfect for you. The process is simple and quick, allowing you to maximize your creative potential without getting bogged down in complicated instructions. First, let's get started by opening your Canva document. If you haven't yet created a document or are looking to start fresh, ensure you have a new canvas ready. Once you're all set with the document open, direct your attention to an empty page within it. This is where the magic will happen. Now here's a neat trick to streamline your workflow. With your document open and a blank page selected, hit the Wash key on your keyboard. Now you might ask, what does pressing the Tab key do? Well, it's an effective shortcut to open the Search Actions feature in Canva. This tool is incredibly useful as it allows you to swiftly search for and execute various functions within the application. Once the Search Actions window is open, type table into the search bar. This will generate a table that you can use within your design. For the purpose of creating a two-column format, select a 2x1 table configuration. This setup provides a single row with two columns, which serves as the backbone for your intended design layout. The beauty of this table is its flexibility. You can click and drag to adjust the borders of the table so it fits seamlessly across your page. Don't hesitate to experiment with the dimensions until your table spans the entire width of your design space. This adaptability is perfect for accommodating text, images, or other elements you might wish to include in either of the two columns. Congratulations! With these steps, you've effectively transformed a straightforward Canva document into a two-column layout, ideal for a wide range of uses. Feel free to customize further by adjusting column widths, adding styling elements, or incorporating additional content as you see fit. By following this method, you can maintain a structured and visually appealing design that stands out. Whether you're crafting a professional document or a creative project, this two-column layout provides a great foundation that is both versatile and efficient. Thank you for watching and trusting me to guide you through this process. I hope you find this method as helpful and convenient as I do. Remember to explore and expand upon what you've learned here to truly make the most out of your Canva creations.